girl Mo of all things MoElle. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video. I feel like I'd be excited for all the videos, but definitely excited for this one because this is one that you guys have been requesting for a little minute now. This is a dedicated video featuring TreLuxe. I'm going to be using some products today to achieve a cute little holiday style. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we get into it, I would love if you took a moment, go down below, hit that subscribe button, join the MoElle-ian fam because we would love to have you. And while you're down there, hit the notification bell so that you will not miss when I post new uploads. So if you have been following me on Instagram for a hot little minute, then you know I love some TreLuxe. Like, I just adore those products. I adore the brand. So thank you so much to TreLuxe for sponsoring this video. Right now, TreLuxe is having a pre-Black Friday sale. It is basically a build your own bundle sale where you can save 25% off of 3 or more products of your choice. And that sale is going on now through November 22nd. So let's go ahead and see some of them in action. So I started off today, of course, by cleansing my hair. And I used their Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleansing Rinse. This is what that looks like. 8 fluid ounces. It's sulfate free. It's for all curl types. And it is a gentle cleanse that is even safe on color treated hair. Even though this is a gentle cleanse, it has an amazing lather. Y'all know how I feel about a good lather. It smells nice. And it also makes the hair feel really nice. This is a non-stripping formula. I like that this is gentle enough that I can use it as a double cleanse, which I actually did do. I used this as my second cleanse as well. And even using it twice, my hair still was not dry after rinsing it out. One thing that I always notice about this as I'm using it is the fact that I can finger detangle with this product in. You cannot do that with a lot of shampoos, and this is one that I highly recommend. Love this shampoo. After deep conditioning my hair, I did go in with the Untie the Knot Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner from TreLuxe. This is hands down one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, just period. So first of all, I love the consistency of this. This consistency is perfect if you are someone like me who has fine hair and you don't need a leave-in conditioner that has a whole bunch of heavy oils and stuff that's going to weigh your hair down. It is not heavy at all. It's moisturizing, but not so moisturizing to where your hair just feels like it has like a gunky film on it. I feel like some leave-in conditioners do that. This one does not do that at all. It strengthens as well as moisturizes at the same time. Win-win. Some call out ingredients are coconut milk, slippery elm extract, and broccoli seed oil. I feel like that slippery elm is what causes this to be such a good detangler, and slippery elm is just an ingredient that my hair just really responds well to. So I love this leave-in conditioner. As far as what it smells like, to me this smells like holiday in a bottle, like a cinnamon pastry or something like that. If you're somebody who likes those kinds of smells, you will love the way this smells. But yeah, I just went ahead and applied this while I was in the shower because I feel like leave-in conditioners penetrate my hair the best when I'm still in the shower. So that is how I use this. I'm only going to be using one styler today, and it's so good that you really only need this one. And that product is the Curl Supreme from TreLuxe. This is their 4-in-1 hydrating cream. This is also 8 fluid ounces. I don't think I mentioned, but the leave-in is 8 fluid ounces as well. Just want to open her up and just show y'all like the consistency of this. Like, it's so creamy. Like, can y'all see that? I know y'all can see that. What I really love about this cream is just how it's so moisturizing, but it still has hold, but it's thick, but it's not so thick to where it does not spread well in the hair. Honestly, it's everything that you could ask for in a twister cream. It's one of my favorites, and we're going to use it to do our hair today. So I went ahead and blew out my hair. This is totally optional. You don't have to do this step, but it's just something that I enjoy doing nowadays, so I did. So this is what my hair is looking like, and I'm thinking for today we're gonna do like some kind of little half up, half down style. I really been liking those kinds of styles lately, so yeah, let's just get into it. Alright, y'all, what you think? This is the final look. If you're not new to my channel, then you know that when I'm doing twist outs and braid outs and even sometimes rod sets, I don't like to over separate on the first day because I like for the style to last, for one thing, and I just like it to kind of do its own thing throughout the week and kind of grow and get bigger. But I really love this look. This back here, it's exactly the look that I was going for. This product right here, like, it's just so good. Like, as you can see, I don't have any flaking. My hair is very lightweight. It's movable, but it's defined and it is shiny. Like, look at the luster. Look at the luster. Just look at the luster. The key to these products is to make sure that you're only using a little bit, because a little bit does go a long way, especially if you have fine hair like me. You don't need a whole lot of product, which is another good thing because these products last, okay? You really do get a bang for your buck with TreLuxe products. So highly recommend all of them, but especially this cleansing rinse and this leave-in conditioner and the star of the show, the Curl Supreme. Highly recommend these. I have used these, and they just never disappoint me. So you should definitely go ahead and take advantage of the pre-Black Friday sale. So that is all that I have for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and found it informative. If you did, go ahead and give your girl a thumbs up because those really do help my channel out a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.